If you're a freelancer trying to hit $10,000 months and you're just wondering why it feels so hard, and despite all of your effort, you're just not getting anywhere, this video is for you. So maybe you see people who are less experienced earning more money than you, and it's starting to become frustrating. Maybe you've already got a couple of clients, but they're taking up all of your time and you just don't know how you're possibly going to scale your business, and actually it's starting to feel impossible. Or maybe you are just sick of the same old recycled advice that you see online, like just post on Instagram or just network more. And you're wondering when exactly those magical clients are going to turn up and start knocking on your door. I've been through all of this too. And what I realized is that I hadn't built a business. I had built myself a work from home job. So I'd left the corporate 9 to 5 and I'd built myself a 9 to 5 at home, and sometimes 9 to 9. And one that relied on me to constantly be switched on. And if I was sick, lost a client, or wanted a holiday, everything stopped. That's not freedom. And I bet you that's not what you wanted when you first started either. So let's talk about why you're stuck. You're probably piecing together random strategies, maybe from YouTube, maybe from freebies or courses, but they don't add up to a complete working system. So you're probably focused on some short-term wins, like getting one client at a time or one project at a time. And that is exhausting. You're swapping time for money, which means you're capped at what income you can actually earn, and you're relying on hustle instead of scale. And that's why it feels like you're running on a treadmill and it just doesn't stop. I know, because this was me too. And I had an aha moment when I realized that I was building sales funnels for clients that made them six figures, but I wasn't using any of these skills for myself. And that's when everything changed. So, your current reality and the bigger problem here is that you're probably doing all of the right things, posting, pitching, maybe even creating digital products and dabbling in affiliate marketing, but nothing's really working together. So, the real problem isn't the effort that you're putting in, it's that you don't have a business model that actually builds predictable income for you without the burnout. And without that, you're stuck in a cycle of trying harder and just feeling like you're failing all the time. Okay, let me just give you a couple of pieces of advice straight up. Stop offering anything and everything. Take 10 minutes after this video to write down your top 3 services or products that you actually enjoy and that people ask you for, and focus on these. Block your time into themes. So instead of switching tasks all day, try blocking 1 hour for client work, 1 hour for marketing, 1 hour for admin. So even if you only have the 3 hours a day, this helps you to reduce the mental load and it keeps everything organized. So you don't have to use that more brain power by switching from one task to another. You'd be doing the same task all the time. So you're batching things into that time as well. And I want you to write down your process. So every time you do something more than twice, like onboarding a client or delivering a service, write down the steps. That's your first system. And that's the start of scaling something, because that's when you can start to look at what can I automate and simplify here so that I can do more of the stuff that I enjoy and less of this admin crap. So these little shifts can help you feel a lot less overwhelmed when you start to build towards that bigger sustainable business. So what you really need is the freedom method. And this is what I teach inside the Booked Out Freelancer. And it just sort of brings everything together. So the first thing that we do is we go through find your focus. So you get clear on what you do, who it's for, and why you're the best fit. Then you go through refining your offers. So creating packages and digital products and affiliate offers that actually work together. And then it's establishing systems. So setting up tools and workflows so your business can run without you. Then we've got elevating with visibility. So simple, stress-free marketing that actually works. Design for scale. So next is building for growth with offers and marketing that don't take up all of your time. Optimizing everything is next, and that's sort of keeping what works and ditching what doesn't, and maintaining everything with ease. So keeping it simple, sustainable, and aligned with your version of success, because everybody's version of success is completely different, and we may have totally different goals. For me, I'm more than happy with a six-figure business. I don't need $1 million business, and I really don't want one, because then I would have to have team members and stuff. And I just don't want it. I just don't want the effort. So I'm more than happy with a good six-figure income. And I think that most people are probably in the same boat. Not all of us want to be millionaires. A lot of us just want to be comfortable and enjoy our lives and have that time and freedom with our families. So, if you want to be waking up to sales every morning, working with clients that you love because you're not under pressure to say yes to everybody, and you want to have time for your family, hobbies, and just to rest because your business is now working for you, then you just need to apply this system. So I'm proof that it works. Since applying this to my own business, I now work Monday to Thursday. I take Fridays off for family time. I've launched digital products that use my skills and knowledge. I earn affiliate income from tools that I genuinely use and recommend. And just so that you know what's actually possible, one automation that I started selling 2 months ago has already made me $4,255. And that's just one digital product that I offer. And so that's only one small part of my income. And so I just want you to think about what's actually possible if you had 30 digital products that you're selling on the side, and they're all related to your skill set and your expertise. So I'm not telling you to go out and create automations, because that might not be your expertise. What I'm telling you to do is you want to be actually creating things that come from your skill set and your experience. And that's going to be different for each and every one of you. But if you're solving a problem for someone and you're giving them the solution, that's where you're going to be making your money. And so if you're already doing that with your service work, then you want to be looking at how you can actually do this by adding in digital products and also adding in some affiliate marketing into the mix as well. And that's exactly what I teach you to do. So why do you want to take this leap right now? Because every month that you let go past, you're stuck in that cycle of piecing things together again and burning out and just burning time and energy. And so I'm going to give you the roadmap so you can stop guessing and start building. And I've kept it super affordable as well, because I want it to be accessible for people, because I have found that courses tend to be overpriced and they're not even giving you like anything decent in them. Some should actually be embarrassed to be selling their courses, to be honest. So I am making it affordable. It is accessible so that pretty much anyone can buy it. So if you're ready to start building a business that gives you both that income and freedom, click the link in the description and check out the Booked Out Freelancer, or DM me the word freedom and I'll send you the link on Instagram, because I'd really love to help you to get there. And especially with the way that the world is changing, and we now have AI as well. So we really need to be making sure that we have a solid business and that we're moving with the times and we're embracing AI, because it's not going anywhere and it is going to take a lot of jobs. So we need to be prepared for that. We need to be planning for that, and we need to be increasing our skills all the time so that we're constantly moving with the times and with what's coming at us. So if you want my help at all and you want to do my course, just check out the link. I'll leave it in the description and also in the comments. Or if you're on Instagram, feel free to just DM me the word freedom and I will send you the link. All right. Have a fantastic day, guys. And I hope that you get to 10 grand really quickly. Bye for now.